Hello, welcome. Episode number 4 of our tutorial on combination. In this episode, we are having how many different ways are there to purchase 2 CDs, 3 cassettes, and 1 videotape. If there are 7 CD titles, 5 cassette titles, and 3 videotape titles from which to choose from. So here we are having 3 different items, and each of the items have a pool from which we are selecting from. So it means we are dealing with them separately by combination. So here I begin with for the CDs, we are having combination of how many items? Of 7 different objects. Selecting, or let's say taking how many? Taking 2 at a time. If that is clear, it means 7 combination what? 2, which means 7 times 6 divided by 2 times 1. And that will be 21 ways. I believe I explained this concept in episode number 1. Then we pick for the cassette. We are having combination of how many titles? We have 5 objects. Taking how many cassettes? 3 at a time. So that simply means 5 combination what? 3, which means 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1. You know, this will cancel this. This will be 20 divided by 2. So you have 10 ways. Then for video tapes, what is the pool? We have 3 combination of 3 objects, right? Taking, how many are we taking? 1 at a time. That simply means that we have 3 combination what? 1, which means we are going to expand this only what? 1 times. So this will also give us the expansion of this only 1 times. That will be 3 ways, right? All right. This, we are asking for how many different ways. So these are the selection we are going to be selecting. So there are 7 titles for CD. I'm picking only 2 at a time. There are 5 titles for cassette. I'm picking 3. There are 3 titles for videotapes. I'm picking 1. In all, so applying the fundamental principle of counting, we can say that the number of ways, so our number of ways become the first one we have, which is 21, but let's make it 7 combination 2 times the second 5 combination 3 times 3 combination 1, which is in the way of 21 times 10 times 3. This will be 63. So 63 various ways. So these are the number of ways by which we can make a selection of 2, 3, 1 videotapes from 7, 5, and what? 3 CD, cassette, videotape, in that order. I guess the concept is correct. We are still trying to digest the topic combination. Don't forget, in the next episode, we take more examples just to clarify the concept of what combination. Share this video, like it, comment, and subscribe.